Olaf is a snowman. He is white and round. He has 3 big snowballs for his body. He has a carrot for his nose. It is orange and long. He has 2 black eyes. They are big and happy. He has a big smile. He has 2 stick arms. He also has 3 black buttons on his body. He has 3 pieces of hair on his head. They look funny. Olaf is special. He is not a normal snowman. He is magic. A girl named Elsa makes him. Elsa has magic powers. She can make ice and snow. One day, when Elsa is a little girl, she uses her magic. She makes Olaf with her sister Anna. They play together. They are very happy. But something bad happens. Elsa's magic hurts Anna. Elsa becomes scared. She doesn't want to hurt anyone. She stays alone in her room for many years. She doesn't use her magic. She doesn't see Anna. She is very sad. Many years pass. Elsa and Anna grow up. Elsa becomes a queen. On her coronation day, something goes wrong. Elsa gets scared and angry. Her magic comes out. She makes ice everywhere. The whole kingdom becomes frozen. It is summer, but now everything is ice and snow. Elsa runs away to the mountains. She is scared and alone. Anna loves her sister. She goes to find Elsa. She walks through the snow. It is very cold. She climbs the mountain. She wants to bring Elsa home. On her journey, Anna meets a man named Kristoff. He helps her. They go together to find Elsa. Meanwhile, Elsa is alone on the mountain. She is far from everyone. She feels free. She uses her magic. She makes a beautiful ice palace. It is big and shiny. She also makes something else with her magic. She makes Olaf. But this time, Olaf is alive. He can walk and talk. He is very happy. Olaf doesn't remember Elsa at first. He just knows he is alive. He walks down the mountain. He is very excited. He sees trees and flowers. Everything is new for him. Then he meets Anna and Kristoff. Anna is surprised. She remembers Olaf from when she was a child. She is so happy to see him. Olaf is very friendly. He loves warm hugs. He hugs everyone. He is always smiling. He is always happy. He makes jokes. He makes people laugh. Even when things are difficult, Olaf stays positive. He is the best friend anyone can have. Olaf has a funny dream. He loves summer. He wants to feel warm sunshine. He wants to see flowers and green grass. He wants to go to the beach. He dreams about hot weather. But there is one problem. Olaf is made of snow. If it is hot, he will melt. But Olaf doesn't know this. He is innocent. He doesn't understand that heat is dangerous for him. Anna, Kristoff, and Olaf go together to find Elsa. They walk through the frozen forest. They climb the icy mountain. Olaf helps them. He is brave. He never gives up. He always makes them smile when they feel sad. They reach Elsa's ice palace. Anna talks to Elsa. She wants Elsa to come home. She wants Elsa to stop the winter. But Elsa is still scared. She thinks her magic is dangerous. She accidentally hurts Anna again. Anna's heart begins to freeze. This is very bad. If Anna's heart freezes completely, she will die. Kristoff takes Anna back down the mountain. They need to save her. Olaf stays with Anna. He is a good friend. He helps Anna when she is cold and sick. He makes a fire for her, even though fire can melt him. He says something very beautiful. He says, "Some people are worth melting for." This shows how much Olaf loves his friends. He will do anything to help them. In the end, love saves everyone. Anna's love for Elsa saves her. Elsa learns to control her magic with love. She brings back summer to the kingdom. The ice and snow disappear. Everything becomes warm and green again. But what about Olaf? Will he melt? No. Elsa uses her magic to help Olaf. She makes a small snow cloud just for him. The cloud follows Olaf everywhere. It keeps him cold. Now Olaf can enjoy summer. His dream comes true. He can see flowers. He can feel sunshine. He can play on the beach. And he doesn't melt. Olaf is so happy. He has everything he wants. He has warm hugs from his friends. He has summer weather. He has love. He lives with Anna, Elsa, and Kristoff. They are like a family. Olaf is always funny. Sometimes his body parts fall off. His head falls off. His arms fall off. But he can put them back together. He doesn't mind. He just laughs about it. This makes everyone laugh too. Olaf teaches everyone important lessons. He teaches them to be happy. He teaches them to be kind. He teaches them that love is the most important thing. He shows them that real friends help each other. No matter what, Olaf is not just a snowman. He is a symbol of innocence, joy, and love. He reminds everyone that life is beautiful. He shows that being happy is a choice. Even in difficult times, we can smile. Even when things are hard, we can help others. Today, Olaf still lives in Arendelle with his friends. He plays in the snow in winter. He plays in the sun in summer. He gives warm hugs to everyone. He makes everyone smile. He is the happiest snowman in the world. And his favorite quote, "Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle, but put me in summer, and I'll be a happy snowman." Olaf proves that dreams can come true. He proves that love is stronger than fear. He proves that friendship is the greatest gift. He is small, but his heart is very big.